Good morning, everybody. It is a cool, chilly day in San Diego, and my trip is done. Workout accomplished. A lot of things got done. Great to see the team out here. Always a good time. Always a good feeling to get things, done and accomplished. Like I said, duh. But anyways, on to the next adventure. Today's adventure is going to be something special. You already know by the title of the video, but I'm going to take you along with me. I actually won't see it till tomorrow, but you'll be there with me at the same time. So let's get to it. Let's get this day going. Let's get this travel started. All right. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Good morning, everyone. Guess what day it is? It is Thursday, February 1st. Yes, you guys already knew all that, but it's new car day. Everybody knows that I sold my SQ5, my Audi. So I was trying to decide which route to go. But as you can see now, I'm in Florida, and I just left San Diego late yesterday. So I'm in Audi in Melbourne, picking up the new car, which I actually purchased while I was in between Singapore and Guam traveling for work. So thanks to my wife, she was a big help to me. She did a lot of the work for me, but you guys will see it soon. I'll do another video, but let's go check it out. I've always said, if you can't look back at it as you walk away, it wasn't meant to be. But me walking up to it this morning, man, that's like one of my best purchases. I love my Audis, but this might be the best one so far. Can't wait to start making more changes on this thing. But she's a beauty. Hey, what's good, everybody? It's Friday afternoon. Car just got loaded up into the auto train. We're good to go. Me and the wife here are just getting ready to get on to board. We probably got about another 45 minutes or so till we can board to get to our room. Sometimes you just need to upgrade because the space is a little bit too tight. So we went to a room, top bunk, bottom bunk, chair. And I think in here is, oh yeah, there's a bathroom, suite. So, all right, continue on with the trip. So as you guys saw, I upgraded rooms. Me and the wifey were cramped in the other room. Moved to a bigger room, which is great. Only two things that really I don't like so far. The bathroom light doesn't work, and then 2 outlets in the room don't work. So we're down to 1 outlet. So I'm charging off my laptop now. So that's fine. I can still do, do videos and stuff like that. The Wi-Fi's still good, so that's not too bad. But as of right now, those are the only 2 things I see that are messed up in a sense. But but we're moving, we're comfortable. Just the little things that to make a trip worth it. We just don't have right now. So, but we're making it work, so we're good. All right, I'll be exploring in a little bit, so I'll take you guys with me. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning, 8:30 or so. Got about another hour and a half on the train. I will say this has definitely been an experience for me and my wife. It was a little bumpy. You'll probably see my arm going from side to side because I left the gimbal in the car, so it's not gonna be really stable. It's stable enough. So, what can I say? The room, we did upgrade. It was great. Gave us enough room for us. She took the top bunk, I took the bottom bunk because I'm still dealing with the sinus cold. So just to make sure that she's trying to get, keep her safe and keep her healthy. I didn't want to, get her sick or whatever. And there's not a lot of room up there on the top bunk for me. So yeah, so I would thank her for that. Train going back and forth throughout the night. It was okay. It wasn't too bad. I did notice that the train did speed up after we stopped in South Carolina. I think we did, because we had to change engineers and conductors and stuff. So that was a little bit of a shock in a sense, because I could feel it, increased speed. This morning we just came to the sleeper car lounge just to grab a quick snack for breakfast, coffee, apple, bananas, stuff like that. We didn't get a full breakfast. Only because, like I said, I'm dealing with the sinus and I really don't want to be around a bunch of people and get them sick. So I'm trying to be mindful for what they're doing and how they feel. So, but other than that, it's not too bad. I think it was definitely an experience that I had to do, that I've been wanting to do for quite a while. So yeah, here we go. So like I said, we have about another hour and a half till we get the car, till we get off the train, then we head home. So the adventure continues. See you guys soon. Nothing coming back to a clean room. Hey, what's good, everybody? So we made it home yesterday morning from the auto train. It was an experience, to say the least. I'll probably do it again because it actually saves time in the long run. And actually, I get some rest at the same time. It could be better, could be worse, but hey, I didn't drive all the way, so I'm good to go with that. But like I said earlier, I want to thank everybody for helping me get this car, for helping me do everything I want to do to this car. Parts are already starting to show up, which is great. I already started looking into different things that I want to do to it even more. So not trying to go too extravagant, not trying to go too crazy, but I do got to make it my own because that's what I do. So thanks again for everybody for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It's new. I'm starting off. I'm hoping everybody likes it. I'm trying to do different content, from car related to travel to anything else that can be done. So thanks again, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.